Welcome back to Gears and Tech. Today is the first drifting day for us this season. The weather is very snowy, as you can see. Koopa the shop dog is happy in the snow. He loves it. He loves the snow. Watch this. Go run, Koopa. Yay, Koopa the shop dog. He's having so much fun. Okay, there you go. Good run, dogs. Good run. We're gonna do a quick once over on the car before we head out. We're gonna drive out, we're not trailering it, so we gotta get it all prepped to hit the road and then hit the ice. So we've got the Subaru into the garage. The only thing I really want to do, I haven't done really a proper once over on this car yet. So we're going to check the tire pressure. We're going to check the oil level, just make sure that's all good. We'll get the license plate on the car because I don't have the plate on it yet. Just got the insurance and everything set up yesterday to get ready for the events today. So we're ready to get going. We just got to do this stuff.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
As you can see, we made it out onto the ice. A couple cars out here ripping around already. Tons of space to get out and just hit the track and see what you can do. We're gonna do some quick prep on the car, get my tow strap in the back ready just in case we need to pull somebody out or if we need to get pulled out. And we gotta set up my 360 camera and all that so we can get some sweet drifting footage for you guys. This is the first day of the first season for ice drifting this year.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118,
That's pretty much it for us today for drifting. Again, this is the start of the season, first day, so I'm not expecting to be like some sort of a rock star at it. One thing I did find, or I found out, I wanted to know, can we drift with just winter tires, or do we need to get studded tires? Now, anyone who's serious about it has always said studded tires. You need studded tires. So I tend to agree. One of the problems that I was having was when I was getting the drift going and I was coming around the corner, I couldn't steer. The front of the car was not getting enough traction to actually steer around the corner, and it just made it, it was still fun. Don't get me wrong, it was fun, but I think that we're gonna be looking at doing some studded tires for the next time we go out, so we'll do a series on that. You can see what we decide to do. I'm looking at some Amazon studded tire kits that I think will do what we want to do on the cheap. So hopefully you had fun with us today, and if you're in the Calgary area and you want to join up with us out there, hit us up on our Facebook or our Instagram. We'll be out there quite frequently through the winter. We can always have like a mini Gears and Tech meetup. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.